Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a new table setting in colors of gold, black, and white. Now if you haven't seen my last table setting, I did use the colors of silver, black, and white, but I kind of want to switch it up to see what the gold will look like. Alright, so let's get started. So the very first thing I used was my Dollar Tree tablecloth, classic tablecloth that is. And then just to add to it, I have my black Dollar Tree table runners. This is an 8-foot table, so I have 3 of the black table runners on this table. And now I have my gold Dollar Tree chargers. And on top of the chargers, I have my Dollar Tree paper napkins. And I like these napkins because they do have this cute little design on them. Alright, moving along, we have the centerpieces. Now with the centerpieces, the jars all came from Dollar Tree, and I have the bling wrap. Some of it I did get from the Dollar Tree, and the other ones, like this one, I'll put a link below of where I actually got this. And all I did was just use my hot glue gun and take the wrap and just kind of wrap around the top of some of the vases. Then I kind of did, the top here and the bottom there. And I just kind of altered it. I wanted to give the table a different look. Instead of just using all the same bling, I just did that. And on 3 of the vases, I have bunches of my flowers. And you don't even have to use flowers. If you kind of want to make it even more budget friendly, you can just use candles. Some people don't even prefer to add flowers to their table settings because, for one, it can cost a lot. Even if you're using Dollar Tree flowers, once you buy a few bundles, it starts to add up. So going the candle route is another option. Then I have my little tea light candles here and my Dollar Tree mirrors. I have that on 2 of these. Then I have my Dollar Tree white rose petals. And just for the background, of course, this did not come from the Dollar Tree. I have my uplights right here, and I'll post a link of where I got those from. So as you can tell, this table setting was very budget friendly because most of the items did come from the Dollar Tree. It was very easy to put together. This table setting can be used for graduations, retirement parties, weddings, anything. You guys can mix it up, change the colors. But because most of the items came from the Dollar Tree, it was very budget friendly. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because I do post weekly. And I thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will talk to you in the next one. Take care.